How to fix photo mode missing on your TikTok. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok account right here. And the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the profile icon. Now once inside the profile icon, all you have to do is to click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And once inside, you then want to click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to click on report a problem. Click on account and profile and you want to navigate through the editing profile. Once inside, click on others, and lastly, you can just go ahead and click on need more help. From here, you then want to go ahead and explain to TikTok that you are currently missing the photo mode on TikTok. You can just go ahead and report that problem, and in no time, TikTok will go ahead and import the feature through your account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.